let's just get right into this lock update because why not? It's been, I'm literally losing track. I think it's been about 7 years. Don't quote me on this. You might gotta scroll down to my very first video. Since I started my rubber band locks, and yes, I still keep my bands in, and yes, they have grown out beautifully. And actually, I recently, like a week ago, just clipped my ends because they were kind of growing uneven. You know how it is when you got locks and they just start to like do their own thing at their own rate. And I wasn't really a fan of it because some of them were like kind of thinning at the ends and blah, blah, blah. So I recently just had my mom just clip my ends, and I wish I would have recorded it, but she just went row by row, like literally like we started with the back two, and then she just kind of evened them out. And then went to the next row and she evened it out. And yeah, they don't look even now because my hair has been in the bun all day. But this is what they look like. I washed my hair last week. So my hair is a little dry because I haven't moisturized it since I washed it. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. I still do my rubber band method. Faithfully, very devoted, very, very committed. But yes, this is what they look like. And this is the back. And this is what it looks like when I put it in a bun. If I would ever like just kind of throw it up top. But yeah. 7 years, a rubber band method. And like this one, so as of recently, sometimes I play around with different styles and I don't rubber band them. So when I don't rubber band them, some of my roots tend to just kind of like separate and do their own thing because they're like, oh my God, we free, we not in a rubber band. And I'll be like, chill. I'm about to rubber band this. So this is just to kind of get those little flyaways back in. So right now I'm about to moisturize it, and I'm gonna do some lock petals on it, and I'll do a quick little glance of what it looks like to take the bands out, even though I've done videos on it, but I'll just do it now since they are a little longer. But yeah, this is what we are working with. Be right back. So like I said, I'm not at home. So I don't have my regular oil blend that I typically use, but my mama got some oil, so I'm just gonna use what she got and just keep it moving. She not locked, but she has some of this little, I ain't advertising this brand like they the bomb because I'm not familiar with using them. But this what she got, so this one I'm gonna use, and we gonna keep it moving. So first, before I put my hair in a bun, I'm gonna oil my scalp. Like such. And you want to oil your scalp really good if you got rubber bands at the base so that the bands can slide right out. So water and oil are your friends if you got bands at your roots. And then just rub it through like such. And then we're going to take our bands out. And I like to throw my hair in the bun and then start from the back row. So that's how I take mine out. So like this. If you ever do rubber bands on your locks, don't tie them super tight. Like do like 2 or 3 little loopy loops around. Don't try to make them like super crispy because the tighter you put them on, it's gonna be hell trying to get them off. But yeah, you just do it loose so that when you take it out, you can just put like a finger or 2 through it and loop it once, and it just pop off or slide right out. Like you don't want to be tugging at it because then you're gonna tug your hair out. So just do it like 2 or 3 times around, depending on how thick your hair is. Mine's real thick, so I don't need a whole lot. But if yours thinner, maybe like 3 or 4 loopy loops. But yeah. Here go a close-up of what it looked like before I take my rubber band out. And I'm going to slide my fingers on. And that's how easy you want it to be. You want it to just slide right out. Yeah, just tip.